Hi everyone, I hope your blogging game will be smoother. So in this particular video, I will share my best WordPress SEO plugins to take your blogging game to the next level. Guys, whenever you're starting a blogging, whenever you are doing blogging, search traffic is very critical element. So you have to get the search traffic for the better revenue and better conversions. So that's why you need to use some better WordPress SEO plugins. In the market, there are majorly two plugins are available. Those are Rank Math and Yoast SEO. So Yoast SEO is very popular plugin and it is the very old one also. So coming to the Rank Math, so it is also popular one. So in the Rank Math, you will get some features in the free version. That is the one advantage. So next, you have to opt either one plugin. So you no need to use the both plugins. Keep in mind that either you have to use either Yoast SEO or Rank Math SEO. You have to choose either one. Okay. So I hope you got the point. The next plugin is the broken link checker. So guys, so whenever you are writing articles, so in case if you deleted that particular article, then you have to check so whether some links are working or not. So like that you have to check the links. So broken links you have to check. So in that particular case, the broken link checker plugin will help you. So next plugin is the redirection. So guys, so whenever you are deleting particular post, then you have to redirect that particular URL to either home page or relevant category page or relevant article. So then the SEO will work very smoothly. Okay, so you have to take care of 301, 302 redirections. 301 redirection is the permanent redirection, 302 is the temporary redirection. So you have to take that point. The next plugin is the catchy plugin. Guys, you have to use the catchy plugin for the better speed. So guys, you have to use the catchy plugin for the better optimization of your speed. You can use the light speed or W3 total catchy, either one. Okay, here also you have to use the light speed catchy or W3 total catchy, either one. So this one also will help you to improve your speed drastically. So guys, the speed not only depends on this particular plugin, the speed also depend on your hosting also. So if you are opting for very pure hosting, then these particular plugins may not help that much, but you have to take care of hosting and then you have to take care of these plugin, total W3 total catchy or light speed catchy. So guys, these particular plugins will help you to take your blogging game to the next level. Whatever the plugins I mentioned in this particular video, I used these plugins personally, and that's why I am recommending these particular plugins for you. So I used Rank Math, I used Yoast SEO, I used redirection, I used light speed catchy. So I used these plugins and recommended you to, so as for your things. Okay, so I hope this particular video help you. If you need any WordPress related help, you can message me on WhatsApp or on Instagram or Twitter. Okay, so this small video will help you. If you love it, like it and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. Okay, thank you.